More than 200 advocacy groups are calling on Congress to take action to protect minors from the harmful effects of social media.
The pressure comes just one day after a Facebook whistleblower testified before Congress that executives ignored warnings about the dangers.
Denver 7's Jessica Porter on the law the advocates want Congress to pass to protect our kids.
Kids being exposed to all kinds of harmful content and predators. And families are crying out for help.
David Monahan works with Fair Play for Kids, an advocacy group that is among over 200 organizations like the American Academy of Pediatrics and the American Psychological Association, urging Congress to vote and pass the Kids Online Safety Act. The organizations are concerned about youth mental health, privacy, suicide, eating disorders, and child sexual abuse issues they say are being exacerbated by social media.
All of these groups are standing up today to say to our leaders in Congress, it's past time. We need guardrails in place.
If passed, the Kids Online Safety Act would force social media companies to disable addictive product features and opt out of recommendations produced by algorithms for users who are minors. Tuesday, a former Facebook engineer testified before a Senate subcommittee. Arturo Bahar said a survey his team conducted found 22% of young users were the target of bullying, and 24% said they received unwanted sexual advances.
Meta knows the harm that kids experience on their platform, and the executives know that their measures fail to address it. 2, there are actionable steps that Meta could take to address the problem.
In response to criticism, Facebook's parent company, Meta, has rolled out new parental controls and time management tools. And it's important to mention that the Kids Online Safety Act is facing some opposition specifically from LGBTQ groups. They're concerned about censorship and blocking minors from important online health information. Jessica Porter, Denver 7.
And digging deeper into the issue, last month, Colorado joined a growing list of states suing the social media platform Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram. 42 attorneys general are taking action, including Colorado's AG, Phil Weiser. Now, this lawsuit alleges that Meta is harming young people's mental health with its features such as likes, and consequently having a major impact on the youth mental health crisis. Now, we talked to a teaching assistant professor at CU Boulder who studies the impact social media has on young people, and she says it's about finding balance.
If work is done from both sides, right, both holding the tech companies accountable to make changes in transparency, accountability, and then having education shift for our young people around what are the skills we actually need to be teaching, I do think that there's a way that this can be used for really positive outcomes.
As for Meta, it says it has introduced 30 tools to support teens and their families. The company says research on social media and its negative effects on mental health is not conclusive.
In September, Denver Public Schools Board of Education took action against social media giants. The board voted to join a lawsuit alleging student mental health is negatively impacted by these sites. It also claims that schools have had to hire additional mental health providers and develop new lesson plans as a result. The lawsuit is going after Facebook and Instagram parent Meta, as well as Snapchat, YouTube, and Google.